I love the forest.
Oh, yes. I love all the animals in the forest.
Hey, listen. Is that a squirrel?
No, it isn't. Listen. This animal is louder than a squirrel.
Hey, what's that? Is it a rabbit?
No, it isn't. It's got smaller ears than a rabbit.
Oh, it's a baby deer. It can't get out of the hole.
Poor baby. Don't worry, we can help you.
Right, everyone. Let's all make this hole bigger.
Oh, it's so cute. Can we keep it?
No, Cody. It's got a mummy somewhere. Call for your mummy, little dear.
Dad, look. Mummy deer is here. Wow.
Go with mummy now.
I'm so happy. The forest is fantastic.
Be careful, Cody. Don't fall in any holes.